Welcome back to another episode of Master Cutz. On today's episode, I got a kid's cut for you. A fade on the side with curls on top. So the way I would start this haircut is, first off, I'm gonna brush it out. So first things first, I'm gonna start with a 2 on the sides. I'm just gonna go with the grain and I'm gonna come down. Okay, now that I'm gone with the grain, now I'm gonna go against the grain. I'm gonna go opposite so that I can get behind that ear. Now that the 2 is done, I'm gonna go to the 3 blade. He's getting curls on top, but he gets the curls short, so I'm just gonna throw a blade on and trim this down first. Now turn the blade around, I'm gonna chop at this weight right here. Still with my BGRs, I'm gonna grab my 1 blade and I'm gonna flick it up, but I'm only gonna go about this high. Now when I get to this top line, I'm making it very soft. I'm flicking it out. Now that's done. Now I'm gonna throw my 1A blade on. And you're gonna start to see the haircut start to blend. So after completing the whole rest of the head with the 1A, now I got one more step to do, which is throwing on the 1.5 blade. Now to finish it off, I'm gonna put the 2 back on and match it up to what I had did before. Now I'm gonna grab my Andis T-Outliners. Before I continue on with the fade, is I want to see what I'm looking like before I wet the hair, because if the skin gets wet, sometimes the hair doesn't come off as good, so you kind of want to line it up first with the clippers. With his lineup complete, I'm gonna go touch it up with my Masters Andis clippers. So my first guard I'm gonna put on is my 1/16 guard. What this is gonna do is it's gonna take out that next line. So now I'm gonna throw on my 1/8 guard while completing the fade. Still with my master clippers, what I'm gonna do to help out my scissor work, I'm gonna clipper over comb this. Grab my water bottle. This is gonna make his curls pop out and make it even. Now the last part, to complete this haircut, I'm gonna hit him with the razor. Starting with the front, continuing on with my line. Give him a little bit of gel. Bring his curls out. So thank you for watching another episode of Master Cutz. This is how I do a kid's cut.